beautiful day for pond maintenance today. I'm going to remove all the algae, or as much of the algae as I can, the string algae that has formed throughout the winter in the planters. Best thing I found to do that is just a brush. Any kind of brush, anything that has a bristle on it helps remove this. You just twirl it around and it is the best way to go. Can't beat it. I've tried sticks, I've tried different stuff. Bristles definitely works best. All this is going to go into my compost bin. Nosy girl. Hey, Cleo. See, throughout the months, I've actually kind of let that algae sit there. It's in the planter, so it doesn't really affect anything. Water clarity is getting pretty good. Algae serves as a filter. I am on top of my bridge on the pond. Show you guys if you haven't seen any of the videos so you can see it, but came in really handy. Remember my husband telling me we should put a bridge on the pond. I said, no, we don't need a bridge in the pond, and I am constantly on the bridge doing maintenance or anything else I need. Spring is definitely in the air. Look at all those baby minnows. Although these guys seem to have babies year round. So gotta clean out all those planters. The planter I redid, that purple one, is doing great. Plants doing much better in that setup. There's a big cluster of string algae. Check it out. See, the beauty of it is that string algae will stick to, it attaches, to surfaces. So I rather have string algae than the other green algae, the pea soup algae. And some algae is not bad. Algae actually filters the pond. String algae is the best of both evils, if you ask me. I'm working, removing the algae on these floating planters, and there are the kiddos. Nosy. So on this floating planter, I have found that it is better to remove the algae with a stick, because the brush, of course, does not fit in all the little spaces. So you just grab a stick, twirl it, and it grabs the algae. So that's all the algae I removed from the floating planters. Floating planters are clear of string algae on the inside now. There's the bridge that I used to do pretty much everything on. And here are my little ones rooting me on, following me all over the pond. Here it is. The planters all string algae free on the inside. They're getting better. pond constantly improving. So happy with it. Cannot wait for spring. Hey, Neon. Wait for spring so I can remove the carps again and start feeding these guys. Hey guys, nosy guys. Spring is definitely in the air, guys. All sorts of birds. Can't really make them out. There's a cardinal. I've seen the koi right there by the castle.